in wastewater treatment. The journey begins with preliminary treatment screens, where we remove large debris like sticks and rags to protect our equipment. Next, grit removal takes out sand and gravel, preventing wear on pumps. Flow equalization stabilizes the flow and pollutant load, ensuring smooth processing. Then, we move to primary treatment, where solids settle in sedimentation tanks, creating sludge at the bottom while grease floats to the top. In secondary treatment, we have two methods: attached growth, where microorganisms feast on pollutants on surfaces, and suspended growth, where bacteria thrive in aeration tanks, breaking down organic matter. Finally, tertiary treatment disinfects the water, eliminating pathogens through chlorination or UV radiation. The leftover sludge undergoes treatment to reduce volume and can even be repurposed as fertilizer. It's a fascinating process that transforms waste into clean water.